Hello everyone, welcome back. The new update of iOS 16.5.1 is out now. If you try to update your iPhone to a latest iOS 16.5.1 and your iPhone says unable to install, unable to check for update, an error occurred while checking for a software update, and if you tap on try again, the same message will appear, and if you tap on cancel, then you have to go back to journal, or your iPhone is stuck on preparing updates. Then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go back to settings, then tap battery and disable low power mode. After that, we have to go back to settings again, and we have to make sure that we have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you're using or if you're connected with mobile or cellular data, then turn off and switch to Wi-Fi. After that, we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Here we have to make sure that we are not running, or iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then make some space by deleting some media or unnecessary software files from your iPhone. Then we have to go back to general, tap on background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. After doing this step, we have to go back to general and tap on VPN and device management. Here we have to check the list. Is there any beta profile that you have? Then remove the beta profile before installing the stable version of iOS 16.5.1. Going to update, go back to general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. Here we have to do one more thing. We have to charge the iPhone the minimum 80%. These steps: force close all the app that are running in the background and launch settings. Then tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS 16.5.1. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.